study him if you allow him to revert to his sanity. Get out of my sight!
You've been crying.
What?
Mind your step, there's life there.
The spiders have nearly doubled.
I lure them. I house them. The world feeds on the carcass of itself. May I smell you? Salt, I think. Salt and perfume. You too have been in the presence of life.
For God's sake.
And life tastes good, doesn't it, Johnny?
You've trained the sparrow, I see.
Yes. Good bird, that. Why won't she marry you?
What are you talking about?
I should brood if I were you. I should brood and think of sporadic killings.
But why, Renfield? Why the eating of flies and spiders?
I have a great love for animals.
No evasions today. I'm not of a mood. Now, again.
They are life, and they give life to me. I absorb it through them, blood running into blood.
And the notebook?
No.
You must have a plan of some kind.
No.
First the flies, and then the spiders, and then the sparrow. You have a plan.
No.
I shall solve you, Renfield. You're a life-eating maniac, and I shall solve the secret of your mind. I am not afraid of the world's rampant complacency. To question is to discover. Men sneered at vivisection, and yet look at its results today. Why not, therefore, advance science in its most difficult and vital aspect, the brain? For if I held the key to just one lunatic, I might advance my own branch of science to such lofty esteem that Bertie Sanderson's physiology would be as nothing.
And Miss Lucy would give her hand.
Shut up!
May I have a kitten? A kitten! Please, please! A nice little playful kitten that I can play with and teach and feed and feed and feed. No one would refuse me a kitten, would they?
How is it you knew her name?
Bird, blood, feather, blood, spider, blood, fly, blood. Bird, blood,
Tell me! Miss Lucy, how did you know her name?
My master.
What?
My master told